Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how you can log in your Comerica Bank online account in your mobile device. Comerica Bank is one of the American financial services company providing various range of financial products. Now to open the Comerica Bank account, simply tap on the preferred browser. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.comerica.com. You will be led to the official page of Comerica. At the top right corner, you can see the option login. You simply tap over there. Here, they will be asking for your credential, that is your user ID, likewise your password. In case if you want to save your user ID for the next time you log into your Comerica account, then you can simply tap on Save User ID. Now, if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on Forgot Password option and they will guide you for the further process to get your account back. And in case if you need help with logging in your account, then you can simply tap on Help option and they will be guiding you for the further process. Here you also have the service to choose other Comerica services. Tap on Choose Service option. You can choose any of them. After you are done writing a credential, you can simply tap on Login. And to authenticate your account for security, you will receive a OTP, that is one-time password, on your mail or text. Make sure to check and then enter the given OTP on the given box. And after that, you will be successfully logged in to your Comerica account. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.